Hi guys, so today we're going to be opening this. It's like a little doll. I don't really know what it is, but so first it starts out with this, and then it goes over, like you take this off, then it comes, and then like you see a doll, then and then you flip this inside out, then get this. So today we're gonna open it, and I've seen it on a commercial before, and I just was curious what would be in it. So let's get opening. So we have a little table to put it on, and then here's our little cupcake. I'm gonna take the rubber band off. So this is our little lid right here. You can see the little string to put it on. Oh, and look, this is our girl. Let me flip this inside out. It's so hard to flip inside out. So this is our little girl. She's really cute. And I'm gonna put her hat on. Okay. So you can move her arms, and her hat is pretty cool. Move her arms. You can move her arms side to side. It's it looks like she's like her son blocking her, kind of. And let's put it in here and see what it looks like in here. It's so hard to undo these and do them. So we have her in like this. Now we can put it on, and then this is what it looks like with a cupcake. Then like you can just sit it right here if we're not using it right now. And then in the package it had these little things. I don't know what these are, but they're little fruits, and I think it means for like the base of the cupcake, like right there. So I think we got strawberry for this little thing right here. I'll give you another look at her again. If you get one of these and figure out what these are for, tell me down in the comments. So I think that's the end of our video right there. Bye guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Turn on notifications. Bye.